Hello friends, welcome back to this video. And in this video we are going to discuss how you can create new presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint using Microsoft Copilot. So you can see, let me bring new version of PowerPoint. And if you have Microsoft 365 license, you can see a button here, create with Copilot. Once you will click on create with Copilot, you can see create a new presentation. So you can give a prompt here, create like about how to boost productivity in Microsoft apps using Copilot. So that is what prompt I am using. Here you can give the reference, two way to give reference. One is you will select file from here, either you can upload from here as well. You can just click on and attach a file, and also if you put slash, you will able to find the file from your library. So I'm not going to attach any file, and then we'll click on create. Once you will click on create, it will give you a summary that which kind of content it's going to create. And for every after every slide, you can see we have a plus button. So if you want to add a new topic, like add a slide about drawbacks, so that is what I want to add here. Again, the same thing, you can give the reference and it will add a new topic here. So for example, if you are creating that presentation, it is not like AI is going to give you 10 or 20 slides and you don't have control on that. So here you can add drawback, like in between, wherever you want to add the new content, you will also add using that. And then here we have image settings. So what we'll do is image from Microsoft 365 library, then you have image from your organization, and then you have both. So let me select image from Microsoft content library, and then we'll click on generate slide. Once you will click on generate slide, it will take few minutes, might be less than 1 minute, and then it will create all those slides. That is what you saw there, like outlines you saw. Based on that, it will create. So now you can see here we have like summary of all those slides it's going to create, and that is what it's showing, that these many created. And then once it's created, it will show you all those slides within second. So just wait and let's see that how much time it will take to create. So it's designing, and then you can see here you have all those slides created using your prompt. And then you have keep it, you can keep it or you can delete from here as well. So I will keep it. Once you will keep, like you just will click on keep it. And then my friend, one more thing you can see, like once you are landing here, sometimes you get confused that what is this. In that case, you will go here in view. So let me go here in view, and then you will click on normal mode. Once you will click on normal mode, it will come to the normal mode where you can see all those slides by sections. So that's the one thing. The second thing, like if you want to add here something, like this presentation is created, now you want that, yes, so let me off my video so you will able to see better. You can see all those slides are created. So you want that, yes, I want something here. So in that case, what you can do, you will just go to home, and then here you can see new slide with Copilot. So add tips and tricks about Excel using Copilot. So I'm creating add tips and tricks about Excel using Copilot. So that's the new slide I am going to add. So even though you created your slide, sometimes you are coming back and you think that, yes, I want to add new slide. In that case, you will just click on new slide with Copilot. You will give the prompt and it will add new slide for you. Then you click on keep it and it will be here. So that's the one thing. like you are able to create using Copilot, you are able to add new slide using Copilot. The next thing is, like sometimes we think that Sandeep, no, I want to create new slide using a file. So again the same thing, my friend, you will go back here, like you will go back to the file, create with Copilot, and then you can see here I will use a reference and I will use a file I created. So I will use this file, and write presentation from file about this story from file. So I will give the file is selected, story from this. Now file is selected, so I'm going to create a presentation using this PDF file. So I will just click on enter, and now content is not totally based on AI. Now content is based on the file I uploaded. So you can see, like based on the file I attached, it's creating a PowerPoint presentation. And then, like again, for the image purpose, it has three things: image from Microsoft 365, image from your organization, and image from Microsoft 365 Copilot and from your organization. You click on generate slide, and then it will generate slides for you. So that's the second thing. If you want to create a presentation using any existing file, this is what you can use. So again, it will do the same process. It will show you all those slides, then take you on a list view page, and then you will go back to the normal thing. So it will take few seconds, and then we can see all those slides ready, and then we will go back to the normal. And then with third thing, we will see, like it now we'll go to the view, and then we'll click on normal view. So you can see here we have normal view. Some of the slides you can go, like everywhere we can see here. Sometimes we need a speaker note for all those slides. In that case, again you will go on view. Here you can see generate speaker note for current slide, generate speaker note for all those slides. So let me generate speaker note for this slide. So I will do that, and after some time you can see like it's generating speaker note for this particular slide. So keep it, and you can see like I generated for this. So if we just increase the size, you can see now we have a speaker note for this slide. Sometimes like after generated all those slides, you think that I want to improve the design as well. In that case, again you will go here. Here you can see design suggestions, and this is also part of AI. So one slide you can select, and using designer you will able to change look and feel of that particular design. So you can select any slide, and then designer will render that design. So here you can see we don't have any image, but when we are using designer, it's giving us some other options as well. So I can select, and you can see this is far better than what we had. So even though AI generated, if you want to improve that, in that case you can go and use design suggestions and improve your designs as well. So these are the three types you can say. One is like you can just directly go and give the prompt and generate slides. Then second one is you can use a file and create your designs from there as well. You can create a speaker note, and then you can also improve designs using designer. In next video you will see that how you can edit all those PPTs or existing PPT using Copilot, and also how you can edit images as well. So see you in next video.